All right, tech enthusiasts, buckle up because Canada is facing a new kind of road trip dilemma. Are Chinese electric vehicles, EVs, actually rolling spy vans? Yeah, you heard that right, so here's the scoop. Canada's considering slapping tariffs on Chinese-made EVs. But it's not just about protecting the local market, it's about national security. Deputy Prime Minister Chrystia Freeland dropped this bombshell saying that these high-tech EVs might be collecting massive amounts of data. And the big question is, could these cars be manipulated by, well, bad actors? Imagine if someone could switch off your EV remotely. Or worse, you could have your daily tone-deaf and off-pitch car karaoke recorded only to be used as some torture in exchange for national secrets. Yikes. Now let's rewind a bit. Remember how Canada gave the boot to Huawei from their 5G network? This EV situation is like the sequel to that tech thriller. Former MI6 head Richard Dearlove, who sounds like he could be a Bond villain, warned the world to be every concerned about Chinese EVs. It's like they're saying, your car could be a spy and not the cool James Bond kind. The EV powers the spy who drove me kind. But wait, it gets better. Freeland only briefly touched on the cybersecurity risks during a news conference, so it's not entirely clear how deep Canada's consultation on this will go. Are they diving into the tech specs or just kicking the tires? Only time will tell. So, what's the takeaway here? Next time you see a sleek Chinese EV on the road, it might not just be cruising, it might be snooping, gathering intel for a tantalizing gossip column, or preparing the next tell-all memoir. Spare tire, perhaps. But hey, at least it's eco-friendly, right? Hit that like button if you think this is a wild ride. And don't forget to subscribe for more on this and other new to distract you. See you in the next video.